Can a fuel additive stabilize your gasoline from ethanol, water, gasoline separation, and keep your injectors clean and keep the gas primed for 1 year for the next season? Well, we're going to talk about it. My name's Eben, your oil and lubricant specialist. Today, we're on synthetic oil protection, showing off the Quickshot. This right here is extremely high quality proprietary additive. This goes right into any gasoline on any type of small engine, from an ATV, UTV, string trimmer, any type of fuel that you put in a 5-gallon jug. This right here will help stabilize it. This will also clean your injectors. It'll also clean the tops of the pistons because it's going in the fuel. This keeps from ethanol separation. So ethanol, water, and gasoline all phase change and they separate. You don't burn that fuel as cleanly as you should, which means if you don't burn all the fuel, you're related with all kinds of unburnt fuel going into your emission systems, catalytic converters. This is going to extend the life of all those components by running it regularly. I highly recommend putting it in snowmobiles, ATVs, UTVs, any type of equipment that you let sit over the winter and it just sits there. Put this in before, run it a little bit and let it sit in all the fuel lines. I'd like you to support the channel by leaving a comment, asking me a question here in the channel. And I'd like you to try this product right away at syntheticoilprotection.net. That'll allow me to be your independent AMSOIL dealer. I can answer your questions with all the other AMSOIL products. My name's Eben, and we will see you back on this next video of 24 AMSOIL products.